welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be installing this wig from Super Wigs. It's 360 lace wig. So it came with this. You can attach this to your wig to adjust your wig. It's detachable strap you add to your wig. The hairline came pre-plucked. You guys know 360 is a kind of a wig that you can pack ponytail if you want to pack your hair ponytail. I have installed some in this channel. Like I always say, it's difficult for me being alone to install 360. This one came with a strap like this. You can see this. And also there is inbuilt adjustable strap as well. And some combs. You see the inside of the wig. So I'm going to wear it on my mannequin head to see. So this is it. I put it in a bun. You see, this is how it should be on your head. The back should be like this because you can pack the hair ponytail. Let me twist from the back little. This is it on. And this is the back. So first of all, cut here. So I'm going to put glue here.
Lately my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning, wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching, something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night, I don't wanna put up a fight, I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind, can't go one more day without you. No, no, no. Lately there's something that's missing. way, take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
I think I'm going to do this off camera because it's not easy to do this, so I'll do it then I'll show you guys. So I'm going to clean the glue from the hair because there are glue everywhere.
Crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug.
So I'm going to use gel to comb those places that you don't be there, like here. You can see this. I'm going to do that down.
Asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world. 'Cause we got love, love. I need only you here with me. You wanna get close to me, why don't you do it right now? You know we met for a reason, but you're trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, 'cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us.
So I'll tie it and leave it for some minutes, then I'll lose it back. And see. I'm still going to clean it again. I use my foundation
wonder why I gotta get it right now. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby.
So guys, this is it. This is side. Okay, this is side. Guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys find this helpful. Please, if you do, click on that like button. Okay, I'm going to leave the details on the description box, so if you like it, check it out, and I will check if there's any discount code. I'm going to leave it on the description box and their website on the description box, so if you're interested, you can check that out. That is it. I will see you guys in my next one. Please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye. Ciao.